Good morning, kindergarten scholars. So if you look here, I have our goals up for today, but I'm going to start with our date. All right, so our date is Monday, April 20th, 2020. It's lots of 20s in today's date. All right, first thing we're going to do is review our sight words, our tricky words. Next thing, learn 2 new tricky sight words. That's right, 2 more sight words that you will have in your vocabulary now. Number 3, read a new Zach and Ann story. Woohoo! And the last one, you have to tell Mrs. Hannigan what is wrong with my sentence. I'm going to leave it at the end. Only about 5 of you were able to finish that part. So my thumbs up to my 5 friends that did tell me what was wrong with my sentence from Friday. And yes, you're right. I didn't begin it with a capital letter. All right, without further ado, let's move on to our sight words. Okay, so when we are reviewing our sight words today, how about if we use our monster voice to read them, okay? So practice saying good morning first with your monster voice. Make sure you have your monster voice today. Ready? Say good morning in your monster voice. Good morning in my monster voice. All right, ready? Right. 2. I wear no from want the of all. Are you using your monster voice? Was. Oops, we're upside down, sideways. Ready? When. Word. Why. Sideways again. What. So. Which. Good job. Okay, our first new sight word for today. This word is pronounced said. Can you say said? Right, said. Let's spell said. Ready? S-A-I-D. Said. One more time. S-A-I-D. Said. Now, if we were thinking about how we would segment said, think about how you're going to segment said. Ready? Ed. Yeah, it would kind of look like this. Ed. So that A and I are coming together. They're not saying ah or a. It's not saying I or I. They're making that that short E sound, All right, so I have a sentence here that I use the word said in. And it says, read it with me. You guys are smarty pants. Come on, read it with me. Everybody, come on, Cisco. Come on. Gonna read it? Come on, Lezik. Ready? He said, new word said. Now remember our quotation marks there around something somebody is saying. So let's see what he said. He said, get the cat a dish of milk. So he said, get the cat a dish of milk. So our word today is said. Let's find the other word. All right, your next word is, say, says. Says. It's kind of like said, and you might use it when you're talking about what somebody's saying, and that word is says. Let's spell says. S-A-Y-S. Says. One more time. Ready? S-A-Y-S. Says. If you're thinking about segmenting it, listen. Let's see what's tricking us up. In there, huh? So, well, we know that S makes that sound. But it sounds like our AY is coming in as that again, that short E. And we already know that sometimes this S disguises itself and pretends it's a Z. So, says. So that's what it sounds like, but that's the way we write it. If we're making a sentence with it, read it with me. Ready? Mom says play ball with your dog. What does Mom say? What did she says what? She says play ball with your dog. How did you know that the word ball was ball? Do you remember? Right, because you know all. And if you know all, you know ball, you know call, you know all. Wall, one more, you know all because you know all. Right, Mrs. Hannigan loves throwing a mini lesson in if I can, right? All right, back to what I was doing. Okay, so your word is says. And what was this one again? Right, said. All right, we might hear them in our new story. Okay, our new story is on page 50. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to find page 50, 50, and tell me what story I'm going to read to you today. Okay, you found 50? Okay, go back. Let me hear you say what the story is. Go ahead and read it. All right. Did you say a gift from Mom? Right, a gift from Mom. A gift is a present. What do you think a gift from Mom could be? Could be lots of things. Well, I'm going to give you a little clue. If you remember what the front cover of Zach and Ann looked like, that's a picture from our story. All right, let's go find out. Page 50. Let's see. Oh, here we are. All right, follow with me. A gift from Mom. Once, Mom got the kids a gift. The gift was in a big black box. Mom set the box on the rug. Is it a truck? Zach said. There's our word said. No, Mom said. It's not a truck. I bet it's a hat, Ann said. No, Mom said, it's not a hat. All right, and if we look, we can see there's the gift. It is. It's in a big black box with a really pretty bluey green ribbon on it. All right, we know it's not a truck, and we know it's not a hat. Let's find out. Then the box said, "Ruff, ruff." Zach slid the lid off the box. All right, what do you think's in the box, boys and girls? What do you think? Ruff, ruff, it said. No, it's not a frog. A dog sat up. It's a dog, said Anne. Yes, said Zach. Mom's the best. Oh, it is a dog. Oh, he is cute. I wonder what his name is going to be. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready for your exit ticket? So when I left the exit ticket on Friday, as I said, only a few of you remembered to go onto the microphone while you did your reading and tell me where my mistake was. So thanks to my friends that did that. All right, this is your job. You need to do this, boys and girls. All right, so looking here, think about what you know about sentences. Okay, they begin with something. They end with something. They make sense. They have meatball spaces in between the words. It's a complete thought. All right, I'm ready to show you my sentence. All right, let me come up. Actually, I think I should stand up for this one. Okay. So you might want to press pause and just kind of look at this for a minute. Might be kind of hard to read for a reason. But I did give some information in there about the new dog. All right, so when you're all done on your worksheets, use the microphone and tell me, what did I do wrong? All right, go get 'em.